Hello student, in last lecture we discussed the limit point of a set, its example and some results. Today we discuss the closure of a set. Let X be a metric space and A is subset of X, then the closure of set A is the union of set A and set of limit points of set A. In general, we denote the limit points of set A by A dash, that is also called as derived set. That is, A closure is equal to A union A dash, where A dash is the set of all limit points of the set A. For example, in RU, if the set A is the set of natural numbers, then A closure is set of natural numbers only. Since the limit points of the set of natural number is a empty set, therefore A bar is equal to A union A dash. Here A dash is set of all limit points of the set of natural number, which is empty set. Hence A closure is equal to N union empty set, which is N. Second example, in usual metric space, if we consider set A is equal to open interval AB, then we know the set of limit points of this open interval AB, which is closed interval AB. A dash is equal to closed interval AB. Therefore, closure of this set A is A union A dash, which is equal to open interval AB union closed interval AB, which is equal to closed interval AB. Similarly, if we choose A set as closed interval AB, the interval open at A, closed at B, the interval closed at A, open at B, then we will get A closure is, then A closure is equal to the closed interval AB, because the limit point of all, the set of all limit points of this set is the closed interval AB. There is one theorem. In additional case, if we consider the finite set, which is subset of real numbers, and with respect to usual metric, we find the closure of that set, we will get again the same set, because finite set has no limit point, that is limit points, set of limit points of a finite set is an empty set, hence its closure is itself. Here, let XD be a metric space and A subset of X. Then first point is A bar is closed set. Second, A is closed if and only A equal to A bar. Third, A bar is the smallest closed subset of X containing A. And in last point, A bar is the intersection of all closed sets. Containing A. We will prove this result. It is given that XD is a matrix space and A is subset of X. Then first point is A bar is closed set. We know the result. Any set A is closed if it contains all of its limit points. A bar will be closed if and only A bar contains all of its limit point. Let X be the limit point of the set A bar. Then to prove that X belongs to A bar, then by this result A bar is a closed set. As X is the limit point of the set A bar, this implies there exists R greater than 0 radius such that the open sphere, suppose the radius of that open sphere is R by 2 with center at X minus the point X and its intersection with the set A bar is empty. By definition of limit point, as X is limit point of the set A bar, the open sphere with center at X of some radius, suppose radius is R by 2, and if we neglect center from this sphere and if we take intersection of that region with the set A bar, then it is non-empty by definition of limit point. Suppose this intersection contains one point, say y. Therefore, if y belongs to S R by 2 of X minus X intersection A bar, then y belongs to both the sets, then y belongs to S R by 2 of X minus X and y belongs to A bar. As y belongs to this sphere whose center is neglected, by definition of open sphere, the distance as y belongs to S R by 2 of X minus X, this implies d of x y is strictly less than R by 2. First equation by definition of open sphere. In second case, y belongs to A bar. Because y belonging to this intersection, y should belong to both the sets. If y belongs to first set, which is the sphere whose center is deleted, center is neglected, then it gives this condition d of xy is less than R by 2. In second case, if y belongs to A bar, then y belongs to A union A dash. Also, y belongs to A bar, but A bar is A union A dash. The definition of closure of a set is the union of the same set and its limit points. This implies y belongs to A or y belongs to A dash. If y belongs to A dash, then y is the limit point of the set A. Therefore, the intersection of the sphere whose center is at point y and the set A is non-empty, and that intersection contains at least one point which is distinct from y. Then there exists R positive such that the sphere SR by 2 of y and neglecting its center minus y intersection A is non-empty. Suppose this intersection contains one point if Z belongs to this intersection S R by 2 of y minus y intersection A. This implies Z belongs to first set as well as second set. Z belongs to S R by 2 of y minus y and Z belongs to A. If Z belongs to S R by 2 of y minus y, then by definition of open sphere, distance between y and z is strictly less than r by 2 because z is the point of the sphere which is distinct from its center. This implies d of x, z and y is less than r by 2. This is second equation. Also, z belongs to A set and z belongs to set A. Therefore, from first and second, if we consider, we also can take this d of zy less than r by 2 in this form. D of y and z is strictly less than r by 2. This is what the second equation. As D is metric on the set X, therefore by triangle inequality, we have d of xz less than or equal to d of xy plus d of yz. From the equation number 1, the value of d of xy is less than r by 2, and in equation number 2, d of yz is less than r by 2. Hence, d of xz is strictly less than r by 2 plus r by 2, where from equation first and second. This means d of xz is strictly less than r, and also z belongs to set A, and z belongs to set A. The meaning of this last statement is the distance between x and z is strictly less than r. This means the point z, which is the point of the set A, belongs to the open sphere whose center at point x and radius r. The last statement gives d of x z strictly less than r implies z belongs to SR of x. By definition of open sphere, z belongs to this sphere. Also, z belongs to A set. Z is the point distinct from the center of the sphere, and z belongs to A means z belongs to intersection of SR of x and A, and that intersection is distinct from the point x because this is the point z and center of the sphere is point x. This implies z belongs to SR of x minus x intersection A. By definition of limit point, this implies X is the limit point of set A. Therefore, we started with X belongs to A closure and we proved that X is the limit point of set A. Hence, X belongs to A dash and hence X belongs to A closure. X belongs to A closure, which is the union of A and A dash. Therefore, if what we proved? Therefore, if X belongs to A closure is the limit point, if X is the limit point of set A closure, then A closure contains the point X or X belongs to A closure. This implies A closure is closed set. Since X is arbitrary point, we considered X as a limit point of set A closure and X belongs to A closure. Means A closure contains all of its limit points. Hence A closure is a closed set. In the second statement, we prove A is closed if and only if A equal to A closure. Consider any one of the statement. Suppose the second statement is true. Suppose A equal to A bar. In first case, we proved that A bar is closed set. Here we are taking A bar is equal to A from 1. A bar is closed set. Therefore, A is a closed set. Conversely, suppose A is closed set and then we prove A equal to A bar. Suppose A is closed set therefore A contains all the limit points of set A. That is, the set of all limit points of the set A is the derived set, which is A dash, and A contains all that limit. A dash is subset of A. Hence, A closure, by definition of closure of a set, this is what? A union A dash. But A dash is subset of A. A dash is subset of A, therefore this union is the bigger set from A and A dash. The bigger one is A. This is equal to A because A contains the set A dash as a subset, hence A closure is equal to A. That is what we have to prove. Now we prove the next result, third. Let B be any closed set in X such that A is subset of B. We prove that A closure is the subset of this closed set B that contains A. Suppose X belongs to A closure, but A closure is equal to A union A dash, that is derived set of A and union A. This implies X belongs to A or X belongs to A dash. If X belongs to A but A is subset of B, implies X belongs to B. Hence, X is the element of the set A closure and X belongs to set B. Therefore, A is subset of A closure is subset of B. Hence, A closure from the first point, A closure is closed set, B is another closed set, and A closure is the closed set that is contained in B, means A closure is the smallest closed set and this A closure contains the set A. In second case, if we consider X belongs to A dash, also if X belongs to A dash, then we have X is limit point of the set A, means there exists Y belongs to set X such that Y belongs to SR of X intersection A, because X is limit point of the set A, hence the intersection of open sphere with center at X and the set A contains at least one point distinct from this center of the sphere, which is Y. This implies Y belongs to SR of X and Y belongs to A subset of B. Therefore, Y belongs to A closure, which is Y belongs to A, which is subset of A closure is subset of B. Now we prove the last statement. Fourth part, A bar is the intersection of all closed set containing A. Consider set C is equal to intersection of subsets of X, where that subset contains the set A and that are closed set. B set is closed. We prove this intersection is nothing but this set A closure. But we know that arbitrary intersection of closed set is closed set. Hence, this C set is a closed set. As arbitrary intersection of closed set is closed in any metric space in XT. Hence, the set C is closed set. From the third point, A bar is the smallest closed subset of X containing A. This intersection contains all the sets that satisfies this property A is subset of B. And in third part, we proved A bar is the smallest closed subset of X containing A. Hence, this C set is nothing but the set A bar. Therefore, C is equal to A bar, where from 3.